Hi, this is the Avermedia live streamer arm BA311 and I'll be telling you about it in this video and why I love using it. Now, I've used a couple of microphone boom arms and I was on the search for something that's more flexible and solid at the same time and of course not going to break the bank. Now, most of the boom arms I saw were great, they were really good, but they were not just as great as this one before I finally decided to settle for it. I'm not saying they're not good, they just don't meet my requirements. Now, I have a peculiar setup. I stream, I work, I attend meetings, I record videos, I unbox videos on this desk. And I need the ability to be able to store away my microphone when it's not in use and still be able to reach it quickly so I can record fast. Literally, I want to be productive. And that is of high importance to me. And that is why I decided to go for the Avermedia stream. Although I have it sort of at a low level on my desk right now, but I think it's reachable and I can just move it around, as you can see, on my desk. So I can record from various angles. So if I'm doing sort of a live stream and I need to actually focus on my screen, I can still record good audio with the microphone just at that direction and get something really nice. And if I'm doing voiceovers, I can move it back into the original position and then I can see what I'm actually reading as a script out on my screen. Or if I'm recording a video like this one, I just need to rotate it to face me like so, and then I'm back. That is the flexibility, and of course it can go vertically also if I wanted to actually boom it over my monitors, but that is just not my use case for it right now. And this is high enough that it can come over my monitors to actually reach me, which is actually good. And I needed to be able to stand all my microphones, and the heaviest one of them being the Samsung J-Track Pro. This is the heaviest of my microphone so far. It is really heavy. It's about 1.5 kg or so. So I need it to be able to actually stand it. And this boom arm can do that for me, which I think is really super duper nice. Now, the desk clamp does not take all of your desk space, which I think is really nice. It's just a vertical circular thing, and it's really nice to go. And that is one of the things I love about it. The space it takes on the desk is really minimal when it's stored away. When I'm using it, it's just one angle and I can still see all my screens and everything that is important to me on my desk. Now, the boom arm itself, of course, as I've said, has multiple rotation points and flexibility, which you can adjust with the X wrench that comes with it. See, everything's actually really reachable from where I'm sitting here on my desk. And of course, when I'm standing, I can still be able to do the same set of activities without stress. Now, I've been using this now for a couple of months since I got it, and I wanted to actually wait till I made a video about it to actually see if I got the real value for the money out of it. And I can tell you for sure, I am getting the real value out of it. I will drop the link to buy one in the video description and also as a pinned comment if you'd like to check it out. Now, the installation process for this was also straightforward. Get a desk, get the clamp, hook it up, plug it in, adjust it to match your strength or stress levels, and then you're ready to go. Inside the arm and boom, you're just ready to go right out of the box. And then of course the cable management clips make you to stow away the cables so they are literally out of sight without having to have some zip ties to manage your cables, which I think is another really nice feature of the Avermedia Boom Arm. That's the BA311. Now, the international mechanism is great. When I lock it in, it's stable and I can still move it around. And I think one thing I love most about it also is that I can adjust this. Now, I don't mind the wiggle on the sound. I can adjust the rotation angle of my microphone like so. I can do this. Of course, I can go down. I can bring it back up. I can do just a whole range of things with it, which I think is really super duper nice to have in a boom arm. It means I can actually also stow it away like so. I usually stow it away like this beside my monitor. beside my big monitor here. So it's stowed away on that side. You can't hear me now, but of course, even from that side, I can bring it back and still get audio coming out of my microphone into my mat. But of course, I'm gonna bring it just a little bit closer now so you can get real quality audio coming from it. And I think that is really nice. Now, on the clamp, you can move it 360, which is, I think, is really nice. I've tested with many microphones that I use in this office, and I think it's a really nice feature to have on the Avermedia. Now, in short, what I'm telling you is that this microphone arm is great. Now, I got this with my own money, and I love it. So I'm not being paid to do this. It's not a free gift. It's not a free review unit. I got this with my own money, and I think I love it, and I like what I'm getting out of it. Once something is good, we should say it's good. You know, they say that in my language, think about Dara. This is a good microphone arm, and I think it's great value for money if you want to get something like it. It's a great accessory if you want to upgrade your live streaming setup. One thing I am planning to do in the future is actually get one more so I can boom it over and have sort of an unboxing setup come over the top of my monitor here, and I can clamp my camera on top of it, unbox stuff, store it away when I'm not using it, and I'm good to go. I don't want to use all those flimsy arms that, you know, are not so sturdy. So that's that about that. Now that's it for my review of the Avermedia Live Streamer Arm BA311. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more review videos just like this one. And let me know in the comment section what you think of the Avermedia Stream Arm and if you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.